So you're just starting your AI journey. You may have implemented a chatbot. You'd be talking to vendors, you'd be getting great stories about what AI can do. But what are the 10 things that they don't tell you about AI? Well, first of all, let's just not forget that you've been using it for years. It's been part of lots of different systems in many different forms for a long time, whether it's speech, text, modelling, all sorts of things. It's just that the hype is now taken over and we've got machine learning models which are really working really well and delivering interesting output. And Google, Amazon and others have all got on the bandwagon of this. So, let's just not forget this is not a brand new technology, but it's certainly something which can make a difference to your business. Second, it's still not that intelligent. Let's not get carried away with the movies. What we have today is very narrow AI. It does a very specific task that you train it for. Third, many chatbots don't have much AI in them. So there are chatbots that will take a different approach to the way they work. Some will work very openly with handling open questions from customers. Others are better at handling very scripted questions. So when you look inside a chatbot and you look at the technology sitting behind there, really probe to understand what is it that is intelligent about what the chatbot's doing. And don't forget, you will have to do a lot of work yourself to make a chatbot do the things you want it to do. Fourth, the basic AI tools you need are generally out there on the web already, whether it's from an organization like Amazon or Google or many others. These tools are there for you to use. You don't need to bring in expensive third-party solutions and tie yourself into long contracts. Start by experimenting with these tools. Often they're free, they're certainly very cheap. 5, there isn't one answer, and the answer may not be AI. So when you're thinking about your business problem, make sure that you're not just trying to bring AI into the business for the sake of it, but really think, is AI going to solve my problem? So focus on the problem and then look for the right solution. If AI is that solution, great. If it's not, work with the best approach. 6, AI won't magically make sense of all your data. We all know that we have some fairly average data in most of our organizations today. And with AI, just like any other sort of use of data, if it's garbage in, it's garbage out. So a lot of work sort of goes into working with your data to get it ready for AI. Don't underestimate that task and don't think that it will automatically sort of make sense of all that. 7, you need to think about how robotic process automation will work closely with your AI to optimize it. So RPA, as it's called, will automate simple processes. AI can provide some decision-making capability as a glue between those processes. So over time you can start to link those processes together and improve the performance of that process. So I'd say look at them both in parallel and think about how you can transform your customer operations more completely, rather than just sort of taking sort of very small steps which optimize sort of point solutions in your process. Number 8. You will need to add new skills and processes to your operation. What that means is things like being agile. You need to be working very much in a test and learn approach with machine learning and AI and understanding how small changes will improve what you're doing. So working in an agile way in both technology and in the business is quite important. There are many other things, but that's a key one. Number 9, it might not revolutionize your business today. So don't be taken in by wild predictions of reducing contact, improving sales, greater customer satisfaction that AI can bring. Those things will come in marginal gains. You will make small steps, you will get incremental benefits, but there's a lot of work that's got to go into understanding how to apply this technology and get the best out of it for your business. And finally, number 10, AI is changing fast. That instability is both an opportunity and a threat. There's lots of good research coming out of universities, lots of small companies taking that research, turning it into innovative products, willing to work with businesses to develop things which will be bespoke for them at a much lower cost than you would get from working with a much larger provider. Challenge is, will they be around in 12 months' time? So there's lots of questions like that you really need to think about. So those are the 10 things that they probably won't tell you about AI. If you want to know more, you can download the white paper from the website or from the link below in the video. My name is Dr. David Naylor. I'm the founder of Humanotics. Our mission is to help demystify AI and help you to get the benefits of that technology in your business faster than you could do by yourself. If you want to know more, please get in touch. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.